Hi everyone! Happy 3rd anniversary Core and happy Appreciation Week. Hi! Oh, I've been with Core ever since its inception.
I've been with Core for 3 years now, and it's been an amazing journey seeing how much we've grown.
Sobrang kinabahan talaga ako kasi first time ko mag-isa sa team, then later on, ako pa yung mag-handle ng system department. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako magsisimula. Buti na lang nandiyan yung management to support me and guide me. Doon ko nakita na napaka-supportive and collaborative ng mga tao sa Core.
Excited na kinakabahan. Kasi syempre bagong company, bagong pakikisama, bagong office mate. So medyo kabado. Pero nung punta ko sa office na yun, sa KMC pa nun KMC yung office namin. Yung maliit lang yung space namin doon. Gulat ako. Mga nadatnan ko doon. Pamilyar. Sabi ko, bakit nandito ka? Bakit, ha? Ano, paano nangyari? Kasi nga, yung mga nandun, mga dati ko rin kasamahan. So parang nilipat lang kami doon at pinagsama-sama. So from that day, naging komportable ako sa mga kasama ko. At the same time, naging masaya. Yun kasi importante, maging masaya ka sa trabaho at magiging effective ka talaga.
We're a very small group of selected managers din talaga. From the very beginning, yun talaga yung pinaka-foundation kasi nga each one of the managers really knows the need and grit of building the team. So talagang yun yung naging foundation ni Core from the start na para mag-grow into kung ilan tayo ngayon. Kasi dati nag-start lang kami like 5 to 10, around that number lang, and then lahat kami is remote pa noon kasi nga wala pang office, inaayos pa kung saan kami mag-rent or what, and then we got official office way back in 2022 na dito sa KMC, sa B Corporate Center. So
We are just in a 5-seater room office. All departments or support teams are there. So you can imagine how small Cora started, and slowly, gradually it was built to its current status with its manpower, new office. So the growth since 2022 has really been big.
I will never forget that day because that was the day I was officially hired as the first employee to hold the position of recruitment, quality assurance, and operations. It was, of course, a mix of excitement, curiosity, and a touch of nervousness. Thankfully, HR, admin, and TA teams were there to welcome me, assist with the process, and address all my concerns.
Onti pa lang kami noon, like maliit pa yung office. And tas ngayon, malaki na yung company, nag-grow na rin yung team.